Valentine's Day is for lovers, or is it? Not everyone has a candlelit date, but everyone can make themselves a really great cocktail. And if you think Valentine's drinks have to be sickly sweet, think again. Today we're making our Tartini, my cheeky twist on a classic raspberry martini. Bright red and fresh, zesty, and just a little bit tarty. So, a Tartini. It's easy, elegant, and perfect for Valentine's Day, or honestly, just any cozy night in. Let's get into it. And here's what you'll need. Raspberry vodka. Now this is clear, it doesn't add any color, so you could just use plain vodka if you want to. Chambord, which is a raspberry flavored liqueur. And cranberry juice. Now use the sweetened cranberry juice drink, not the pure cranberry juice. And we need a lime and fresh raspberries. So what we're going to do is we're going to juice the lime, but we're going to juice the lime before we add any ice to the shaker, because what we want to do is we want to muddle 4 strawberries in the bottom of the shaker. So let's juice the lime. So 30 mils or 1 ounce of fresh lime juice into the shaker. So now we need fresh raspberries, and these are beautiful. So I'm going to take 4 and put into the shaker. And I still need 3 for the garnish, so I'll just put that aside for now. So if you don't have a muddler, just a spoon will do. Spoon. And what we want to do, if you do have like a muddler or a spoon, so we just want to gently push down and just twist a little bit. Like do that about 4 or 5 times. What you want to do is just break the raspberries down a bit so it releases the juice, because we are going to shake this up, so it's still going to get some more juice out of those raspberries. So now we can put the ice in the shaker. And now we need 60 mils or 2 ounces of raspberry vodka. I'm cheating a bit by using my 60 mil measure. 60 mils or 2 ounces of raspberry or plain vodka. I do think raspberry vodka is better for Valentine's Day, especially when it's a raspberry flavoured drink. And we need 15 mils or half an ounce of Chambord. Chambord is a really nice liqueur too, very raspberry. And now we need 45 mils or 1.5 ounces of cranberry juice. Okay, lid on the shaker and let's shake. Ready? Go. Okay, we don't want to give it too much of a shake because we have got those raspberries and we don't want them to break up too much. That is really stuck on there. I'm going to double strain because we don't want any of the seeds from the raspberries in our final cocktail. And isn't that the most beautiful red? Now for the garnish. So I want 3, just trying to find the nicest, biggest and juiciest. I've just got a cocktail pick. I am just going to thread these on one after the other and set it across the glass like that. Look how gorgeous the colour is, bright red. That's exactly why we muddled those raspberries. Let's give it a taste. Oh, that is delightful. Bright raspberry, really fresh, and just that little bit tart. Not sweet or sugary at all, but not sour either. That's exactly what I want in a Valentine's cocktail. So whatever you're doing for Valentine's Day, happy Valentine's Day to you. And I will see you next time for another cocktail. Cheers!